Aaron Moriarty has an intimate look at the private struggles behind Christopher Reeve's relentless public crusade to find a cure for paralysis. But first, meet another Superman. Bill Legatuda has the story of someone who, like Christopher Reeve, has got the strength, courage, and candor to lift us all.
I dream about walking. I dream about holding a beautiful woman's hand. Or putting my arm around somebody, dancing.
1, 2, 3.
Sliding into bed and feeling the feeling of the cold sheets on your body. Or stepping on the gas in my car and feeling the torque of the car right through your foot up your leg. I really wish I could play the piano again. Or to play the saxophone. It all changes in a second, blink of an eye. And it's a real pain in the butt, except I can't feel it.
Martha's Vineyard in Massachusetts last August.
It was Labor Day weekend.
26-year-old Charley Hince was enjoying the final weekend of summer
The weather was beautiful.
when his old life was swept away from him.
We were body surfing. And my roommate Jackson and I, we went into one wave. And the wave happened to turn me over and plant me right on my head. And as soon as I hit my head, I knew I broke my neck. I heard like a poof, kind of like when you get a flat tire. And I laid there face down in the water. And just as I started to fade, my buddies pulled me out. I was calling for my roommate Mark.
I heard my name called, so I went down to the water, and there was a group of people, and Charley was just laying there. And he's like, he goes, Mark, Mark. He goes, I can't move.
Is it a realistic goal? That depends on what reality world you live in. I live in bizarro world. This is completely bizarre to me, you know? And, you know, you have to have hope. Is it a realistic goal? That depends on what reality world you live in. I live in bizarro world. This is completely bizarre to me, you know? And, you know, you have to have hope.
He's great. Want to meet him.
The guy, he's in the same zone I'm in, absolutely.
Yeah.
He's got the right attitude. Anybody who's taking on the problem, anybody who's striving, working, believing, hoping, those are the people I want to meet and share with. He's one of them.
Only a fraction of the equipment and home care for Charley Hince is being paid for by insurance. That's typical in these cases. The insurer is paying for Charley's wheelchair and his long hospital stay, and the insurer claims to be doing everything possible.
If I could only play the piano again, I'd be the best piano player I could possibly be. I'd play it till my fingers hurt.
Maybe one of these days we'll be able to open this up again.
When they do come up with some sort of cure, the people that they're going to take are the people that are as focused and positive and are in the best shape that they can possibly be. And I'm going to be front line. Me and Christopher Reeve.
You look inside you dig deep, and you find there's much more inside than you ever believed. We found it out, and Charley's finding it out.
Guess I'm going to sign off. But you haven't seen nothing yet.
Charley Hince just might be seeing Christopher Reeve in a few days. They're scheduled to meet this Sunday at Boston University's medical school commencement. Two men giving each other powerful reasons for hope. I'm Dan Rather, and that's 48 Hours.